Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Zwifters. In this video, I will explain how to connect the Zwift companion app to your main Zwift game. This process is straightforward and enhances your riding experience. First, make sure both your computer or streaming device running Zwift and your mobile phone with the companion app are connected to the very same Wi-Fi network. Then, simply download the companion app from your phone's app store and log in with your Zwift account. It's that easy to get started. Once you have the companion app ready, the next step is to launch your main Zwift game. Open the Zwift application on your preferred device, whether it's a computer, Apple TV, or another compatible system. Start a ride or run, and the companion app should almost instantly detect your active session. You will see your avatar and real-time ride data appear, confirming a successful connection. This seamless pairing allows you to control many aspects of your ride. The Zwift companion app offers a wealth of features to enrich your virtual cycling or running experience. You can view all your critical ride data, like speed, power output, and heart rate, right on your phone screen. It also allows you to interact with fellow Zwifters by giving ride-ons or sending messages. Furthermore, you can control various in-game actions, such as using power-ups or navigating menus, all from the convenience of your mobile device. It truly puts the world of Watopia in your hand. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry. There are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, double-check that both your main Zwift device and your phone are on the identical Wi-Fi network. Sometimes, devices might connect to different bands, like 2.4 GHz versus 5 GHz. If that doesn't work, try restarting both the Zwift game and the companion app. Finally, ensure both applications are updated to their latest versions, and check for any network restrictions like VPNs or firewalls that might be interfering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.